Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a section for our house. So, I have drawn these two lines over here for our two floor plans. You can see the arrows showing in what side are we going to draw our section. So I'm going to show you how you can do this, how you can draw a section. So we're going to draw just on that side of this floor plan for the first floor and for the second floor, showing everything that is stands on that side of our floor plan. Okay, for this section videos, I'm going to make in 4 parts because no one wants to see a video of 1 hour or 100 hours. So let's start. First, let's make our layer and let's see the dimensions for this wall because we're going to use just this side of the floor plan. Okay, and now let's begin to drawing our foundation. So let me draw this line, put 50 centimeters in one direction, and let's make an offset of that line of 25 because our exterior wall is 25 centimeters thick. Let's make 50 centimeters over there, 50 over there, the both sides. And now let's make I forget the word in English, and that's okay, you going to understand. Let's mirror this line to be the same like in the opposite way. Let me just copy and paste this. Okay, we have done this our section for our foundation wall, and now let's make our steel reinforcements over here. But first, let me just check the middle. And now let's like 2.5. I think, yeah, it's all good. So this is going to represent our steel reinforcements in our foundation wall. Just copy command. And delete that line. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now let's drive our isolation for our foundation floor wall. I'm sorry. Let me just close this, measure this line, just see it's perfectly fit. Yeah, this is good. So this is basically is going to be our isolation for our foundation wall from other side, like dirt or rain or whatever goes in the way. So it must have this sort of isolation. It's very good for the wall, for the foundation wall, and it gives you a more straight and more time survival. Let me use just trim command to cut the necessary lines. same, cut all necessary lines for our installation. And that's it. We have our installation for our foundation wall. Now let's make a measurement from our floor plan. But first let me just check 20 centimeters away from the base of the foundation. So our floor plan is 1035 minus 50 for our thickness of the wall. That must have in mind. Okay, now let's just copy and paste our section on the foundation wall, and this line is going to be represented from outside of the dirt and everything to our floor plan. Let me just copy and paste this. Use the mirror command once again, but now I'm going to delete the original one and place that at the end of the line. Then delete that. Okay, so this is our base for our foundation, and now this line is going to be 10 centimeters long, thick, because it must have the isolation. So this is going to be our steel isolation from the earth and to our concrete isolation. So let's just measure this one more time to make sure everything's okay. Okay, now let's start drawing the isolation. And 10 centimeters. Okay, now that's good. So basically what we need to do now is just copy and paste these 5 lines from the beginning to the end. So basically when you're driving the section of the house, it's also you're driving the details of the house. But the only difference from the section is where we don't put so many little bit of details and descriptions. And for the best way for you to drive a section of the house or the details of the house or the construction documents of the house and resident in the buildings, the first you must learn is how the material, how different material functional, and how are the symbols for those materials when you're driving architectural construction drive. And the second thing that helped me the most for driving the section and the details, and to be on the building site and to see the building or the resident building, how it's been from the ground to the finish. And from there you can see all the foundation materials, how they look in a real time, and you can easily figure out to drive the sections and the details, because when you see all that happening from the paper to the reality, it's all different. And that's helping me, maybe that will help you. I'm just saying. Okay, we have done with our isolation. Now let's use this hatch command to put just a black line over here. Tell me that I'm too close. Tell me I'm too close one more time. Yeah. Okay, let me just don't waste your time. Let me just put for our foundation. Let me just close this line that I had to close it, so I can hatch this. Okay. Okay, now let's make another isolation that must be 20 centimeters of the solid concrete. Let me just choose one layer. Okay. So our second isolation is going to be 20 centimeters minimum. So we don't have the problem in our first floor or our ground floor with no water or whatever is coming from the ground. Okay, now let's make our steel reinforcement. So let's make 5 centimeters. I'm sorry, 10 centimeters. And let's put these reinforcements up to a second line. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let me show the measurements of here. It's 10 centimeters, that is good. Let me just put a line over here to copy and paste this all the side. In this part that we are driving now, there put all the insulation for the water. You can see that a big black plastic bags that they're putting in the foundation plan. Well, that this is that part of the foundation plan that we are driving, and now we are driving the steel reinforcements for our ground floor. let's use our trim command to cut all the necessary lines. Okay, we are done. Now let's make our final line for our ground floor. Let me just find my layer. There we go. And yeah, we have finished our section for our foundation plan. Let me just try one more time for this because it's annoying me. I still don't want it. Let me just try one more thing. Yeah, it's too much work and time. Okay, I'm going to make this, just don't want to waste your time. Okay guys, so we have finished our first part of our section. So we have done the foundation wall, and we have done the isolation from our ground floor plan. And yes, for the next video I'm going to build the walls and to see inside the house and from the outside of the house, and the interior walls and the doors and materials and everything. So stay tuned and see you next time.